Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey there! In today's video, I will show you how you can fix or clear your Google storage. If you're running low on storage on your Google Photos, just like mine, you could simply go ahead and open Google Photos. In here, you can see the account storage. Google actually offers up to 15 gigabytes of free storage. After that, you will simply have to upgrade. But let's say that all of the 15 gigabyte storage is full. I will show you a couple of ways on how you can turn it. The very first thing you want to understand is that you can simply go ahead and delete any of the unnecessary photos from the list. If you have deleted all of the unnecessary photos and still not able to clear storage, that is because you also have to delete it from trash. Tap on the section and then you will be able to see all of the photos which you might have deleted. So you can go ahead and empty the bin as well. Just simply tap on the delete button. You have to keep in mind that in Google Photos, your videos are the ones which takes up most of the space. So go ahead and delete any of the videos from your Google Photos or Google account. The other thing that you also want to understand is that just because it shows that storage is full in your Google Photos app, it doesn't mean it is only on the Google Photos. It means that your overall Google account or the Google Drive account has some files which is occupying the storage. So in order to fix that, you could simply go ahead and open your Google Drive inside the Drive app. So from here, you could simply go ahead and check what files are actually occupying more space. Over here as well, you can see 15 gigabyte. That is because this is how Google works. It is a space which Google offers you a system-wide storage on your cloud. So over here, you could simply go ahead and tap on recent and you could basically delete any of the unnecessary folders and files you have over here. After that, you also have to go to trash to clear all of the files in there as well. Hopefully one of this would have fixed the issue. If it's still not, then you could simply go ahead and upgrade your storage by tapping on buy storage now. So after 15 gigabytes, obviously you would have to purchase. You can go ahead and select any of the options which you might want to do in order to buy and increase your storage on Google. So that is how we clear out the Google Photo storage.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.